these are the only AI tools you will need in 2026. Starting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the best for personal assistance, completing tasks, mentoring, finding solutions. And right now, it's a tourist guide for me. And most of the things for personal or work, ChatGPT is my go-to. Coming to Claude, it's amazing for creating prompts for another AI tool. If you're creating a website on Lovable or Replit, if you are creating a design brief to send to a web developer for your own website, give your requirement to Claude, tell it to create a design brief or tell it to create a prompt to create the website on any of these tools, Replit, Bolt, etc. And it will do an amazing job in creating that prompt. And for creating websites, Replit has given me the best results out of all the ones that are out there. I've used Lovable, I've used Emergent, I've used Bolt. I've given the same type of prompts to all of these tools, but the way Replit gives me the well-structured UI with the complete fine detailing, these other tools have not been able to keep up with that. Grok is for the real talk. Any controversial topics, any political debates, anything that you want to answer which is unfiltered, Grok is the one that you need to go to. With Gemini, the ChatGPT took over the internet with the Ghibli images, but turns out Gemini Pro is the most consistent when it comes to image generation. I've been personally using it since a while. I've used ChatGPT earlier, but Gemini Pro just does such a better job. Nothing comes close to that. And then coming to Comet and Perplexity. Wow, like Comet has just made my life so much easier. Hours of videos, I just upload the link on the Comet browser. It removes all the important information from me. In an hour video, I have all the fact-checked, validated information in probably just a few seconds, I would say. So if your work involves a lot of digging on the browser, Comet is your go-to. And Perplexity is, again, research. Anything that you want to search on the internet, you can probably search on Perplexity. If you want long answers, long descriptions, if you want short answers, then you can just go to GPT or Chrome. For automations and AI workflows, nothing comes close to n8n. I've literally hosted apps with the complete backend on n8n. Make is the best cheap option, but if you are willing to spare a bit of money, then n8n will give you outstanding results. It has all preset modules. Whatever you can imagine can be automated with n8n.